Well, thank you for the kind words. I also wanted to just say a few passing words, really. It has been very educational for me as well. Only two days, really. We have covered a lot of ground, and I guess for me, some of the takeaways are really, the speed at which things happen. We only had something on AI and math, really, in June last year. Some was referred to the big Prof program, as well was one of the key people there. And it's moving so fast that actually, indeed, 9 months seems to be already a long time. So that's one of the lessons maybe obvious for many, but one of the things to really that are remarkable. And the other thing is that sticks to mind, and Jordi expressed it quite well. We no longer have a very good excuse to think that AI is not going to do certain things that we as mathematicians feel we have been privileged and able to do uniquely. And that is actually something that is, we don't know yet what it will be able to do, but it's very difficult to argue why something shouldn't be done by AI, or with the help of AI. But maybe on a positive note, I also want to repeat, in some sense, that one of the things that came through several talks today as well is that, indeed, and one was, I don't know, mention it as well, AI and human is still a better team, right? So there's a role for us to play, and maybe that is actually something that will survive, in some sense, the AI revolution and be there in future. So looking at the goals of this meeting, as any scientific meeting here at INI, one wants to disseminate and encourage collaboration, speed up. Maybe that's not so important here in this case, but most importantly, I think that's a key for the Newton Institute, is to bring people together, right? Also to build a community. I mean, we have had very different type of communities represented, whether it's the open science community, AI for math, or indeed also some physicists and historians and philosophers. So I think we're all in this together, and maybe we can find also a solution together to move this forward. That would be, I guess, my dream. And math ultimately is also not alone, right? We have heard from physicists, computer scientists, and so on. So we're facing this together. So let me just very quickly finish on a couple of really other things, namely, first of all, punting. Anybody still interested in punting? We'll leave maybe at 2 o'clock. There will be a questionnaire. It's very helpful for us to understand what you liked, what you didn't, what worked, what didn't work.
It's already arrived.
Sorry?
They're so efficient, it's already arrived.
They arrived. That's what I had hoped. So no excuse not to fill it out before you leave. So it's helpful for us to gauge what we should be doing in future. And if you really like it and think this is important, that also helps us to quote for the funding agencies, etc. There's a light lunch, so please stay and enjoy company afterwards. And yes, I'd just also like to thank very much the speakers in particular, but everybody who has participated and made the journey here. And indeed, wish you a safe journey home. So thank you very much.